Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys what equipment I use to make my YouTube videos as well as my tattoo photography equipment. If you guys have any questions on the equipment that I use in this video, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll gladly get back to you guys. The main camera I'm filming with right now is the Sony a7 II. The main lens that I use is the Sony 1.8 50mm OSS lens. This is the main lens that I use for taking photos of my tattoos. The tripod that I use is a Manfrotto hybrid head tripod. This is also very compact and easy to travel with. The mic I use in my main setup is the Rode Compact on-camera mic, and this is one of the most stable on-camera mics that I've used so far. Would also like to add that the sound quality that it captures is really nice. One of my secret weapons in tattoo photography is the polarized lens. This works great for eliminating glare when taking photos of fresh or wet tattoos. For my time-lapse recording, I use an older iPhone at the moment due to the convenience of airdropping compatibility. It also works well with my lighting system, which is the Multimedia Extreme by Glamcor. I use these lights during tattoo application as well as filming. This light really comes in handy a lot because of the charging port it has on the side. I will say though, the stand that it has is not very stable. I also use polarized filters on my lights as well. These were salvaged from an old broken TV. If you tattoo and you don't know about polarized lights and filters and why and how they work, you definitely need to look into it. They can greatly improve your photo game. I also use a DJI Mavic Pro for cinematography and aerial footage. Drone footage can really add some pop to a project. In one of my next videos, I'll be showing you guys what editing equipment I use and what applications I use for cinematography, as well as some other tech gadgets that I use in the tattoo industry. Thanks again for watching my videos. Leave a comment below, let me know what you thought of the video, and until next time, thanks.